Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Norbert and today I'm going to share with you a tutorial on how to cut a whole chicken. I will be using a utility knife. We have here a chopping board and a clean plate for the cut portion. I'm wiping my hands dry with paper towels and we will begin. Pick up the knife, hold one of the chicken legs and slice through the skin just below the chicken breast and just cut all the way around the thigh. Do it on the other side. Flip the chicken and then open the legs wide and then you should feel the joint, cut it through there. And then you can divide the chicken leg just in between, so just to separate the drumstick and the chicken thigh. Repeat the same process on the other leg. And then for the wings, just flip the chicken over and feel the joint under the wing. Just slice it through there. Remove the tips. Do it on the other side. Remove the chicken butt. Then slice through the ribs to separate the chicken back part and the breast part. One thing that you should always remember whenever you're cutting meat is that whichever hand is holding the knife, never ever use that hand to touch anything that is wet. For the breast part, just slice through into the middle, all the way down. This part is soft because it's just cartilage. For the back part, this I use normally for soup, so just since it's a small chicken, I'll just divide it into 3. There you have it. I hope you find this tutorial useful. If you like it, give me a big thumbs up and I'll see you again in the next video. Have a good one. Take care. Bye.